Welcome to today's quick healthcare news. First, the healthcare AI update. Google's parent company, Alphabet Inc., has been working to bring generative AI to healthcare, seeking to transform the industry by reducing clerical tasks and freeing up more time for patient care. Despite its ambitions, Google faces significant challenges in ensuring its AI can consistently deliver high-quality health information. Healthcare professionals remain skeptical, with concerns about AI's potential to miss critical details or even replace human jobs. Google's efforts in healthcare are part of a broader strategy to break into the $4 trillion US healthcare market. The company has launched various projects, including the MedPalm AI model, which achieved a passing score on US medical exam-style questions. Google envisions a future where AI can provide personalized health insights and improve healthcare delivery on a global scale. Despite these advancements, Google's AI technology is not yet reliable enough for widespread clinical use. The company has struggled to unify its healthcare strategy, with efforts scattered across different divisions. Projects like Verily's life sciences initiatives and Calico's focus on aging have yet to make significant impacts. Google's AI-powered tools, such as the nurse handoff note and an app for transcribing emergency room visits, are currently being tested in select hospitals. These tools aim to streamline documentation and reduce administrative burdens on healthcare providers. However, human oversight remains crucial to catch any errors the AI might make. In recent years, Google has faced numerous setbacks in its healthcare endeavors, including the discontinuation of its personal health record platform and the mixed results of its COVID-19 testing initiative. The company's approach has often been fragmented, leading to limited progress. To gain trust and achieve meaningful impact, Google must address these challenges and demonstrate the reliability and safety of its AI technologies. The company continues to refine its tools, incorporating feedback from healthcare professionals to improve accuracy and effectiveness. As Google strives to revolutionize healthcare with AI, the industry remains cautious. The integration of AI into clinical settings requires careful consideration of its limitations and potential risks. For now, AI serves as an assistant, enhancing operational efficiency rather than making clinical decisions independently. Ultimately, Google's success in transforming healthcare will depend on its ability to build trust with both patients and providers, ensuring that AI complements human judgment and enhances the quality of care. In other news, the Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, announced today that the Office of the National Coordinator for Health Information Technology, ONC, has been restructured and renamed. The new agency, called the Office of the Assistant Secretary for Technology Policy and Office of the National Coordinator for Health Information Technology, ASTP-ONC, will encompass technology, cybersecurity, data, and artificial intelligence strategy and policy functions. Mickey Tripathi, previously the head of ONC, will now serve as the Assistant Secretary for Technology Policy in addition to his role as the National Coordinator for Health IT. In a blog post, Tripathi emphasized that alongside their ongoing work in health IT, the office will lead HHS's technology and data policy and strategy to ensure the department's effectiveness. The restructured agency will feature an Office of Policy, an Office of Technology, an Office of Standards, Certification and Analysis, and an Office of the Chief Operating Officer. These offices will continue implementing the Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health, High-Tech Act, the 21st Century Cures Act, and other interoperability efforts previously spearheaded by ONC. The expansion of the Office of the National Coordinator will include establishing an Office of the Chief Technology Officer. This new office will feature roles such as Chief AI Officer, Chief Data Officer, and a new Office of Digital Services, all tasked with overseeing HHS-wide data governance, technology, and cybersecurity. This announcement comes after a recent call for senior technology, cybersecurity, and AI executives to fill open positions at HHS. ONC employees publicized these openings on LinkedIn last week, and a webinar will be held on August 1st to discuss the available roles. The restructured ASTP-ONC will assume increased responsibilities, integrating functions previously managed by various agencies, including the Assistant Secretary for Administration, ASA, and the Administration for Strategic Preparedness and Response, ASPR. ASA formerly oversaw technology, data, and AI policy and strategy. HHS Secretary Xavier Becerra underscored the importance of addressing pressing issues such as cybersecurity, data, and artificial intelligence in the healthcare sector. He emphasized the need for HHS to remain agile, accountable, and strategic to meet current demands. Becerra highlighted that HHS has long worked to ensure the safe and effective use of technology, data, and AI to promote the health and well-being of Americans. This reorganization aims to build on that legacy and prepare the department for future challenges. Next, Wells Fargo and Company is facing a lawsuit filed on Tuesday, accusing the company of mismanaging its employee health insurance plan, causing tens of thousands of U.S. employees to overpay for prescription drugs. The proposed class action, brought by 4 former employees in a Minnesota federal court, claims the bank violated federal law by failing to manage employee health and retirement plans prudently. According to the lawsuit, Wells Fargo's health plan pays inflated prices to pharmacy benefit managers, PBMs. These managers negotiate with drug makers, health insurance plans, and pharmacies to set prescription drug prices and determine which drugs will be included on their formularies, lists of drugs covered by insurance. The complaint cites an example where the plan paid over $69,000 for a tube of cancer medication Bexarotane, which could cost as little as $3,750 elsewhere, and marked up generic specialty drugs by nearly 400%. PBMs are under increased government scrutiny due to their role in the rising costs of prescription drugs. Wells Fargo has not yet responded to the lawsuit. This lawsuit is part of a broader trend of legal actions against employer-sponsored health plans accused of not negotiating lower drug prices for participants. Prescription drug costs continue to soar in the U.S., leading to more scrutiny and legal challenges. For example, Johnson & Johnson is dealing with a similar proposed class action in New Jersey federal court. Filed in February, this lawsuit alleges that the company's mismanagement of its health plan resulted in employees overpaying for drugs by millions of dollars. Johnson & Johnson has moved to dismiss the case, arguing that its plan has saved participants money and that the plaintiff lacks the legal standing to sue. The Wells Fargo lawsuit seeks to establish a nationwide class of health plan participants and beneficiaries, potentially including tens of thousands of people. It aims to secure unspecified damages and statutory penalties. And now, the interesting healthcare facts segments. Here are the top things that Americans say they worry about the most in their healthcare. 33% of the respondents indicated that they worry about their ability to have access to affordable healthcare. 29% worry more about the quality of healthcare. 24% care more about the possibility of another pandemic. And 21% worry about environmental pollutants, and 20% are worried about side effects of medication. And there you have it. Please subscribe to this channel.